Your first task is to spend some undemanding time with your horse. Now, undemanding means that you don't ask anything of him. It needs to be in his own environment where he feels safe. And I want you to allow him to approach you only if he wishes. So that means that you're not going to influence him. You're not going to have a head collar on him or try to entice him over. And I also want you to choose a quiet time at the yard. So not when everyone's coming to bring their horses in or turn them out, because that's just going to be a distraction. It's really important that you keep yourself safe while you're doing this. So if you want to sit in your field, that's fine. But if you feel like you'd be safer sitting outside of the gate, then please do that. Obviously, you are more than welcome to push your horse away, protect your space, do whatever you need to do. But if you feel like your horse is going to be difficult, then please do sit outside the field. So while you're spending this undemanding time, use the time wisely to observe your horse. Where is he in the field? Does he favour a certain part of the field? Why do you think that is? How does he interact with his herd if he's out with other horses? Is he dominant, passive, submissive? Does he spend most of his time eating, playing, sleeping? Does he spook at things in his home, or is he quite confident? Does the weather change things? It'd be great if he comes to investigate you, but don't feel worried or offended if he doesn't. At this point, we're just observing. So I want you to do this for at least 15 minutes, and this is your task to start you off, but please do feel free to do this as often as you like. I try to do this with my horse at least once a week because it's a really good way to start to change the way that your horse thinks about you and the way he sees you when you come into the field. Because it's very often, or actually most of the time, that people go in to catch their horse, ride them, do all that kind of thing. How often do people actually go in and just spend time with their horse, doing what their horse wants to do? Not very often. So in our quest to help our horse see us as a partner, this is a really good exercise to get used to doing.